Hi, this is just the video that goes with the blog post to show you what I've been talking about. You'll see that we're in the back end, the dashboard of my blog here, and you want to scroll down and look at the left hand side, these here, until you come to settings. And the setting we're looking for is media. So if I click on media, let's give it a little while to load. This is the page that comes up. This is what we're talking about here, where it goes embeds, auto embeds. You want to make sure that you've got this button ticked. So it says, when possible, embed the media content from a URL directly onto the page, for example, Flickr or YouTube. You just want to make sure you've got that ticked, and then down at the bottom, save changes. So let's go back up to the top to my blog posts. And we'll go back to the post that you're reading today. That's not just published yet because I'm going to add this video to it. So we're in visual mode at the moment. We want to be going over to HTML. So let's just scroll down to where I want to put the video in. Okay, cool. And we're just going to move to HTML instead of visual. And you'll see that that's the code rather than what you would read on your blog page. So let's go to YouTube. This is a video that I posted a while ago. And let's go to share. Share or embed the video. The button at the bottom there. So when I hit share, you'll see that this code come up. So this is the shorter code that you can use if you've done what we've just done in terms of settings. So let's click on this code. Let's copy it. And let's go back over to the blog. And let's embed it where we want to embed it, which is just here. So I'll just click on that, return, and then I'll paste it just here. So what we want to do before we publish anything is preview. And that will show you what your blog looks like in real life, and it'll show you whether your video is there or not. So there's the blog post, that's what you're going to be seeing. By the time you see this, it might have a different, my blog might have a different look in the front, but the post will still be there. And there you go. That's the video that I've embedded. Now in reality, I'm going to embed this video, but that's just to show you what to do. So let's go back to edit post. Let's take that out. And let's show you how to do it the other way. So that's removed now. Let's go back into YouTube. So where it says share, right beside the code that went in there, you've got the embed code. So you click on that and you'll see that the embed, the HTML code is longer. And just a quick tip down here, you can tick this box which will actually change that code. And what that means is when your video has finished running, other suggested videos will play. And I would never put that in a blog post because I don't want people leaving my content and going on to somebody else's content. So I never use that. I always keep that unticked. And as you see here, you can change the size of your video, which will also change the size of your code. So at the moment, I just want this one. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy it. It'll never let me copy it. There we go. Just need to make sure that you've clicked on it where it's highlighted. So copy it. Go back over to the post. Go back to where we want to put it in, paste the longer code, you see we're still in HTML, and again preview just to make sure that that's worked. So I'm going up to the top icon here where my blog post is, and let's scroll down again to see that the video has actually gone in. Yeah, there it's there, exactly as we want it. So that's just very simply how to embed videos. As I've said, the most important thing, I'm going to take this out because that video is not the right one to win that post. The most important and the most difficult thing for a lot of people is actually getting in front of the camera. But don't be scared of it. So I'm just going to end this now.